Today I'm going to share everything that came in the July Crafty Crew Kit from Crafty Stamp Co. and make this adorable little card. Hey, it's Beth. Welcome. I have the July Crafty Crew Kit from Crafty Stamp Co. here, and I just wanted to share and do a little unboxing. And to start off, like, they've even got a little personalized sticker on the front to hold the tissue paper closed. So then in the kit, they always have these awesome mesh bags that are great project bags. Have card. Hey there, this package is happy to see you too, and it's got a little QR code that you can scan for inspiration videos on this month's kit. And then thank you card. And then we have these cute little stamps. We have Campfire Critters, which has like little foxes and rabbits and bears and raccoons. Sentiments are what happens around the campfire gets laughed at all year, and s'more campers means s'more fun. And then the next one has Meadow, and this is Campin' Meadow. So you've got her and then some of her camping paraphernalia that she needs. Sentiments, let's wonder where the Wi-Fi won't go. I love you s'more. Stars make the best nightlights. There are some shaker bits in here, like marshmallows and just some like cookies, and then different colors, a little flame. I don't know if that will focus. There we go. And then we have the stencil this time is stars. So it's called Night Sky. So you've got stars and like just different kinds of stars. And then in the paper pad, this looks really fun. This is Going Campin'. And so we've got 12 designs, kind of bright, fun colors. Turn them over so you can see the back sides as well, because they are double-sided. I love their paper, kind of nice, thick paper, luscious feel. So this will be fun to play with. So that is what comes in the kit, and then we will make a quick little project. I have everything cut and ready to go for my card. I just need to finish the scene. I did use the Night Star stencil to create kind of a starry sky, and then just some green Distress Oxide ink to create the grass on the ground, and then stamped my sentiment and the camping, like the little sleepy bear in the tent. I actually stamped it 3 times. I stamped it once onto my circle so I would have the outline, and then once onto that green plaid paper so that I could have a patterned tent. And then I'm doing some paper piecing, and then I stamped the image a 3rd time onto just some plain white cardstock so that I could color up my bear with some markers, just some basic coloring, and make him a little brown bear. So I will just go ahead and layer all those pieces. And I also like how it just kind of creates some dimension on the scene, as if the bear's head is really sticking out the front of the tent. And then the rest of this is just some easy assembly now that my scene is done. So I wanted to talk a little bit more about the Crafty Crew kits. They do come out every other month. So the last kit was May. We are now on the July kit, and the pre-order period for the July kit is June 1st, which is today, through the 15th. And after the 15th, there will be no other opportunities to get the July kit. If you were to subscribe after the 15th, you will be on the list for the September kit. And there will be no extras. The only way to get the kit is to pre-order. So if you like this camping kit that they have, then make sure you sign up by the 15th. You can purchase just the kit one off, but you do have a significant savings if you subscribe for the bi-monthly kit. After you've pre-ordered, the kits will start shipping out in July. So between now and then, you should see a few more projects shared on my channel, and then there will be some playlists and some hops going around for some other designers sharing additional inspiration on how to use the July kit. It is so cute. Their pattern papers are always amazing and good quality, and then the stamps are always fun as well. So today was fun for me to create that little scene, and then just to do some quick card assembly after the scene was done. I did decide to use pattern paper for my mat, so then I wanted to go ahead and layer all the elements just so that everything kind of stood out on its own and wasn't so busy, I guess. And then it can get everything layered up. The camping scenes, I think these would work if you're a card maker. They would work well for some masculine cards, just some summer themed cards, or cards for kids. It'd be cute for mini albums, like a little camping mini album. So we'll see what other inspiration projects come out this month. I'm excited to see what everybody else is doing with the kit. So again, there will be a link in the description box below for you to check out the kit and sign up either for the subscription or just for this month's kit. So now I wanted to bring in some of those fun shaker bits, not necessarily as shaker bits, but just as additional embellishments. So I pull in a couple of the yellow ones, and I put a few underneath the tent, and then one on the kind of opposite, like the top left corner of the circle, I guess. And then just glue those down kind of as embellishments, just to add a little something else to my card, and then to add a little detail in the grass, almost as if it were like rocks or, you know, something hanging out in the grass around his tent. And I'm just using a little pick tool to help hold those and place them down while I add the glue. And then I like to add pattern paper or scraps of any kind to the inside of the cards as well. It's a great way to use up the scraps, and then just adds a little bit of something fun on the inside, carries the theme, you know, from the front to the inside. So I do have a scrap of the green polka dot paper, and I will go ahead and add that to the inside of my card before I call it complete. And because I used it to cut my card mat, it is the perfect pattern, although I'm actually going to use the other side of it for the trees, but it's the perfect width to fit on the inside of the card at the bottom. So here's the final look at the card. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing what was in this month's Crafty Crew Kit and enjoyed my card inspiration. Thank you so much for your time, and hope you all have a very crafty day.